Forstner bits are a fantastic invention. Nothing beats them for boring clean, accurate holes, especially large holes. But the larger the Forstner bit, the more friction it creates and the faster heat builds up. Heat kills bits of any kind, and the key to keeping a Forstner bit sharp is keeping it cool. Besides slowing your drill speed down, you must also keep the chips from building up in the hole and trapping that heat around the bit. This is usually done by backing the bit out every few seconds to force the chips from the hole. But another strategy involves boring a smaller hole with a smaller bit that won't build up as much heat as the larger one. Then, without moving the workpiece, switch to the full-size bit. Now you can remove the rest of the waste without fear of chips building up too tightly and trapping in all that steel-killing heat. For the last several years, I've been replacing my cheap drill and Forstner bits with quality bits from Fish Tools. They're a family-run company that still forges their bits the old-fashioned way. Try replacing your most used bits with Fish bits using the links in the notes below this video, and you'll see why I love them so much. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.